What's up, everyone? Mr. Jeff the Custodian here. It is 2:35 in the afternoon, so I'm about an hour from going home. I just kind of want to share what I've been doing today. I square scrubbed these floors 2 years ago. I actually have a video out there showing where I did this very room right here. But what I'm doing this year, and I did the same thing last year, is I am mopping this floor with some Restore from CUI Solutions. And I am burnishing these floors with a high-speed burnisher with a blue aqua pad. And I am getting some really good results, but I kind of want to show you what I'm doing here. Let me turn this camera around here. A lot of work involved in this. And this floor is a very old building. And what I'm doing is I'm moving the roll of desk and everything is on this side. I'm moving toward the middle. The ones that was in the middle, I moved them up as far to the front as possible. And I moved this roll over. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna burnish that side after the Restore dries, the back side of the room, and this side. And then I'll move all of this over, and then I'll move this back and burnish the front part of the room, and then it will be done. But I wanna carry you to another room and show you. Actually waiting on this floor to dry where I can finish it up. But I have already did this room like I have just showed you on the other one. I burnished this side, and I've burnished this side. Pop that shine back out. This is a computer lab. Square scrubbed this room actually 3 years ago, and it's still holding a good shine. I want you to notice the difference on the right side when I pull back right here. That right there is popping. And I know what some of y'all are thinking. You think, you are getting to burnish your floors for like 3 years in a row? Are you kidding me? Yes, that's the difference in working in a college and elementary school. I did my fair share of stripping and waxing my floors every year in elementary school. And we still have our fair share of stripping and waxing floors here as well. But I just kind of wanted to share with you today what we got going on here at the college. If you'd like to help support this channel, hey, I'm gonna put a link in the description below where you can buy me a coffee. It should pop up right here. And I'm also gonna put a link in the description below to the products that I use today. Y'all have a great day. Go out there and burnish some floors because somebody's gonna scratch them up for you in about 5 minutes. Guarantee you.